Hi there, I'm Elizabeth, naturopath, Chinese medicine practitioner at Vintage Health, and I specialise in sleep, energy and hormonal issues. I wanted to share with you my experience of working with Dani. I've recently finished a course with her. Before I started the course, I knew I wanted to take my business full-time. I also wanted to work less in the one-on-one private practice side of naturopathy and move into education and creating content for groups, running workshops, running and creating sort of video content too. But I really didn't know where to start. It was all quite daunting, and then any side of the internet that involves marketing and SEO was just a foreign concept to me, and I needed help. So anyway, I enrolled with Dani and I loved the format of the course. We would meet every couple of weeks. We would be given small tasks to complete. There was sort of this step-by-step process. If you completed it on time, you got a reward in the form of like an extra workshop. And I just loved this. It worked really, really well. It felt like it was all coming from a place of positivity and enforcement as opposed to disciplinary. I hope that makes sense, but I love that format. These extra rewards were a bonus to me as opposed to intrinsic to the course. So it was sort of this fun challenge that really worked for me and my nervous system. So yeah, and in the end, the course has got me to my goal, which is to create video content and to be sharing the content in a way that's aimed at the right people. It's structured, or sort of the SEO is revved up in a way that the people that are supposed to find my content are the people that are going to find my content through their searches, etc. So yeah, I've really, really enjoyed the process. And so in the end, I've been able to quit my part-time bill-paying job, and I'm now full-time in my practice, and I'm focusing on the content creation, the education, and just really being able to share what I know in a way that is discoverable for people that need it. So anyway, thanks Dani, and I look forward to working with you again in the future with some of your future offerings. Bye.